mga sis Mars, welcome back ulit sa ating YouTube channel. So for today's video and content, another unboxing naman tayo na isang Android phone. So tuloy-tuloy lang ang pag-unbox natin ng mga dumadating at marami pang paparating ng mga Android phone. So we have here the Vivo Y19s. So we purchased this one online, amounting of 5,000 plus. But originally, this is the 6,000 plus ato or almost 7,000 yung kanyang SRP price. But if you're going to click the basket here, left side corner na ating video, mura nyo na lang mabibili itong ating Y90s. So, the storage that we have is 4 GB of RAM with 128 GB of ROM. Okay. So, quick specification. Silver yung color. Okay. So, explore natin yung side by side ng box. So far, wala namang bago. Pero ito yung specification niya dito. Quick lang naman. 6.68. Wait lang nga. Ang liit. So, 6.68 high brightness Dutch display. Okay. Dual stereo speaker and 300% volume. Meron tayong IP64. Dust and water resistant si ating Vivo Y19s. Okay, extended RAM and large storage. So, open na natin yung box. Huwag na natin patagalin pa itong ating unboxing. And, ayan. Okay. So, gilid na natin yung phone. Later on natin to i-check. Inside the box, of course, we have the jelly case. Okay. Ang cute ng design ng jelly case. Parang siyang suitcase. Okay. So, we have a jelly case in here. We have warranty and start guide. And then, we have the brick or the charging brick. We also have here the Type-C charging cord. Okay. And a pin ejector or pin eject tool. So far yun lang naman yung box. Laman ng box, sorry. With this Vivo Y19s. Slide lang natin to and check natin yung design ng ating Android phone. So, sa left corner, we have a power button and volume rocker. Bottom part, we have the speaker grills, charging port, microphone, and earphone jack. Left side corner, we have here the SIM tray. Upper corner, we have here the speaker grill. Since this is a dual speaker, ayan, so check natin kung gaano nga ba kaganda ang quality nito or basag ba ang speaker nito. So, check na natin. Ayan pa pala, oh. Naka punch hole na pala ang display ng ating Y19s. So, check natin ang camera module nito and also check natin kung gaano kaganda ang quality ng Vivo Y19s. So, 1, 2, 3, and oh, okay. So, we have 2 lenses in here. This is the camera module. Ang cute naman ito. Ang cute. Parang nag-live sila na. Alam mo, parang nagbago yung ano mo. Nagbago yung decision mo sa pagde-design. Ay, gawin natin siyang 3 lens Ay, gawin natin siyang 3 lens. Ay, hindi na pala. So, ayan, may naka-red na. So, we have flash. The color that we purchase is silver. Pero most likely, para siyang pearl. Silver pearl. And then, if you're going to tilt the phone, meron siyang, ayan o, parang rainbowish effect. Okay. May gradient effect siya. So, Vivo brand. Okay. Ganda, very classy, ah. And, I think this one is a plastic. Pero di pa tayo sure dyan. And, hindi siya, hindi siya glossy finish, ah. Matte yung finish niya. So, meaning, hindi siya prone sa mga fingerprint. Ayan. So, maganda yon. Yan talagang gusto ko, hindi prone sa fingerprint. Kasi, OC ako sa phone. Ayoko na madaming, alam mo yung tutong, tsaka yung mga madaming dumi. Kaya, okay na okay para sa akin yung mga matte finish. So, open natin yung phone. Balikan ko kayo. Setup ko lang to real quick. Ayan. So, setup lang natin to mga sis Mars. So, lower lang natin yung brightness. Ayan. Para makita nyo. Okay. Alright. So, settings tayo. Okay. Ayan, storage natin. About phone. Ayan, 4 GB of RAM. Standard RAM. Ayan. Okay, Android 14. Alright. So far, yun lang naman sa settings. Explore natin yan more sa ating full review. Check natin real quick yung camera ng ating Vivo Y19s. Ayan. Okay, oops. Okay, front facing. Okay. Ay. Okay. So far, yun lang naman yung unboxing natin with this Vivo Y19s. Again, mga sismars, if you want to purchase this, just click the yellow basket down below sa left side corner ng ating video. So once again, my name is Maring Ana. Stay tuned sa ating camera review, full review, and game test with this Android phone.